Here's how to remove text from video in CapCut. So the first step is to upload your video on CapCut, and as you can see I have this watermark here in the bottom left corner. Simply select the video on your timeline and then you just have to scroll down until you see AI remove. So you just have to enable this, and then we're gonna have to basically select the text. So you're gonna have to use the brush and then simply go over the text. And then as you can see, we can try this for free, and you can also sign up for a pro account and you're gonna get 30 days for free. Now once you select the text, click on remove, and now we're gonna have to wait until the AI does its job. So as you can see, this is the result of this AI tool. Now as you can see here, we have the difference. So this is the before and this is the after. So basically that's all you have to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.